What's up YouTube? Now Move Card Breakers here. I'm back with another opening for you guys. Today we have the 21-22 NBA Hoops Fat Packs or Cello Packs. Today I have 3 of those for you guys. Let's see what you can get from those. Those Fat Packs include 30 cards. You get exclusive Teal Explosions or Orange Explosions Parallels. The Orange Explosions Parallels will be numbered to 25. I'm extremely excited about this product just because this class 21-22 we haven't seen any of the cards with the pro uniform. The only ones that we've seen so far is the Chronicles, and they did have the college uniforms. So we're looking for the best rookies. As we know, Kate Cunningham, who is on the our cover boy here, and some good rookies like Scotty Barnes, and also Duarte. Ayo Dosunmu is playing excellent as well. So let's go ahead and open these and see. Let's hope we get a nice orange explosion parallel. First pack, let's go find out if we're gonna get something good. I'm pretty sure you can get autos as well. So we start with Ricky Rubio, Dame Time, Jonas Valanciunas, Shai, LaMelo second year, Isaiah Stewart, Beefs 2, Chris Boucher, RJ Hampton, Russell Westbrook, Harrison Barnes, Kevin Huerter, Steven Adams, Justin Holiday, Zach LaVine, Julius Randle, Kyle Kuzma. I'm gonna fly through the base. Jacob Poto, just because the cards in the middle and the back are the cards that. Here's the Donovan Mitchell Pure Polaros, and here's a Luka Doncic, another slam insert Luka. Nice. I'm very happy with those inserts. Luka insert is great. And we have the class of 2021 Jalen Green. Beautiful, beautiful card. And let's see that Teal Explosion Parallel. It's gonna be a rookie, hopefully, or not. No, MPJ. Teal Explosion. Gorgeous cards, gorgeous. And let's see what's gonna be the base rookies. Luke Garza, Jeremiah Robinson, Kessler Edwards, David Johnson, Jonathan Kuminga for the Warriors, and to finish this pack off, Jaden Springer. Next pack. Another Teal Explosion in the back. Ingram, Kendrick Nunn, Tristan Thompson, Jason Tatum, Ricky Rubio, Dame Time again, Jonas Valanciunas, Shai, LaMelo again, Isaiah Stewart, Miles Bridges, Clint Capella, Pat Beverly, Jamal Murray, DeMar DeRozan, Fournier, D'Angelo Russell. Let's go ahead and pure players, Giannis, and there's another slam, Kyrie again. I got one already earlier. Zaire arriving now. Enes Kanter on the Teal Explosion. Santi Aldama, Scotty Barnes, Josh Giddey, Aaron Wiggins, JT Thor, and Joshua Primo. Okay, final pack, final chance to get that orange explosion. If you guys like the videos and content, just hit that like button and subscribe. Okay, let's go ahead and see. Okay, there's the explosion here as well. I'm gonna go ahead and do this real quick. The base cards, Pritchard, John Wall, nothing really crazy here. Pretty much the same base cards over and over. Okay, let's see here. There's another slam insert, Donovan Mitchell. Nice. Those slam inserts are probably the best out of the whole set. Frequent Flyers, Bam Adebayo arriving now. Moody, and the last Teal, another rookie, Brook Lopez. And the base rookies will be Chris Duarte, Zaire Williams, Cameron Thomas, Quentin Grimes, Greg Brown III, and Cade Cunningham to finish it off. The #1 pick, Cade Cunningham. All right, thank you very much, guys, for watching. And if you guys enjoyed it, just hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you, everyone. Enjoy the rest of your day or evening. Have a good one.